Do you know that you can use ChatGPT directly on WhatsApp? What baffles me is that it is totally free. Without wasting much time, let me show you how you are going to use ChatGPT directly on WhatsApp. Okay, so we are just going to add ChatGPT's contact to our phone book. So just open your dialer, and then when it opens, you are going to add this number to your phone book. So +1 800 242 8478. Then you click on the plus sign over here. Then you create new contact. Then you rename it ChatGPT. Then you click on save. Okay, now the number have been saved. So let's go to WhatsApp. Then you click on this plus sign to start a new chat. Then you search for ChatGPT. Okay, so here is it with the blue tick. Then just send hi. Okay, now you can go on and ask your questions. So let me ask, what is catalyst? And you can see that it is very fast over here. Before you leave, if you need a website for your school, for your business, or for yourself, send message to the email below. It is very affordable, so just send a mail. Distance is not a barrier. If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Until we meet again.